So reactive hypoglycemia with the brain, let's talk about that. When you think about an artery has like a non-stick surface, right? Nothing's supposed to stick to it. But if you really go in and really look in deep, what it looks like if you can imagine laying fried eggs next to each other, okay? So if you fried an egg, you'd have like the yolk, and that yolk part is what's going to attract the sugar. But the thing is that sugar is hydrophilic. So it means it loves water. So that means when sugar goes in, so when we have this hypoglycemic reaction, we get this high level of sugar and then it's going to crash. But all that sugar is going to be absorbed into that center of that cell. But as soon as it does, it's going to pull all this water with it. And when it pulls that water, those cells are going to swell and they're going to go from like a fried egg to like a hard-boiled egg. But what's going to happen to the artery wall when those start stretching apart? What's going to happen to the artery wall? Yeah, it's going to be damaged. It's going to be inflamed. So what would we expect to be the effect when that happens? Well, what do you think the patient's going to have? A vascular migraine? Would that make sense to you guys? Okay. So part of this reactive hypoglycemic issue is just not that sugar going up and down, which we need to handle, but it's also that idea of that's going to cause a great deal of like headache, vascular types of brain problems. And then the other thing we really know is about how sugar is intimately related to anxiety.